Welcome to this quick guide on setting up Oracle VirtualBox. First, download VirtualBox from the official Oracle website and install it following the standard setup process. Once installed, launch VirtualBox and create a new Windows 10 virtual machine. Simply enter a name for your VM, select the ISO file, choose the correct OS and edition, and input your username, passwords, and product keys. Next, configure your preferred RAM allocation and CPU cores. Then select a suitable disk space for the OS installation. Click Finish, and your virtual machine will start automatically. From here, proceed with the standard Windows setup, just like on a physical computer. That's it, your Windows 10 virtual machine is now ready to use. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions or need assistance. Happy virtual computing!